we got a definite integral of this rational function, a ratio of two polynomials, and the top is not the derivative of bottom, so it's not just one step. It looks like the bottom can be factored. Okay, how? We can pull x square out, then remains x minus 2. Okay, so bottom has two factors. That means we can write this fraction as a sum of simpler fractions. Let's go for that. Okay, we'll take care of this limit later, in fact. So let me write in this. So 2x square minus 4. Don't have to factor the top. In fact, you can factor 2 out and bring all the way outside. That would work. Okay, x square x minus 2. Okay, now we let this fraction 2x square minus 4 over x square x minus 2 equals sum of simpler fractions. X square repeated root, so we have to go in this way. X square. X is a linear root, degree 1, so degree 0 on the top, just constant. And x minus 2. Okay, so another constant c. Okay, we need to write, we will be able to write in this way. Then this becomes 3 to 4 integration of first fraction a over x plus 3 to 4 integration of second plus 3 to 4 integration of third. Okay, we will determine the values of a, b and c later. Let's finish the calculus part. By the way, a is constant, can be pulled outside, so 1 over x, antiderivative of 1 over x is natural log of x. We are working on 3 to 4, all positive, so I don't need absolute value. Okay, you can put if you like, and we are going from 3 to 4 plus b outside, integration of 1 over x square. Okay, it's like 1 over x square. It's not natural log of x square, by the way. You have to take this to the top, x minus 2 dx, and use power rule. You get negative 1 over x. Okay, so this will be negative 1 over x, going from 3 to 4 plus c can be pulled outside, 1 over x minus 2. Derivative of x minus 2 is 1. Okay, by use substitution, so this is just natural log of bottom, like the first, x minus 2, and we are going from 3 to 4 plus, we don't need integration constant because we are working on definite integral. Okay, let's evaluate this. So a to be determined, that's just algebra. A, it will be natural log of upper limit minus natural log of lower limit. So natural log of 4 minus natural log of 3, upper limit minus lower limit. And by the way, difference of two natural logs will be natural log of quotient. So this can be simplified as natural log of 4 over 3 plus b, plug in upper limit, negative 1/4 minus negative 1/3, negative 1/4 minus lower limit, plug in 3, negative 1/3, so it becomes plus 1/3 plus c, upper limit, natural log of 4 minus 2 is 2, absolute value of 2 is 2, so natural log of 2 minus lower limit, natural log of 3 minus 2, 1, absolute 1 is 1, and natural log of 1 is 0. Okay, and this can be written in this way: a to be determined, natural log of 4 minus natural log of 3, natural log of 4/3, 1/3 minus 1/4. Okay, do this on side. 1/3 minus 1/4 is 12, so 4 3, so 1/12, so b over 12 plus natural log of 1 is 0, so natural log of 2, c natural log of 2. So we'll be done in next step as soon as we find the values of a, b and c. Okay, the calculus part is over. Now we go back on the top where we assumed this fraction is a sum of simpler fractions and find the values of a, b and c. Okay, so let me work here. To solve this equation, it got fractions, so we need to multiply throughout or both sides by the common denominator to get rid of the bottoms. Okay, so we want to multiply this by the common denominator, which is always the left side. So x is square x minus 2, and when we multiply to the left, this is to cancel. 2x square minus 4. Okay, let me write over here 2x square minus 4 equals, how about the first fraction? When we cancel, x cancels, so a x minus 2, a x minus 2 plus, how about second? When we multiply to the second fraction, x square cancel, so b x minus 2, and for the last plus c, x minus 2 cancel, c x square, so b x minus 2 c x square, b x minus 2 plus c x square. Okay, we need to simplify all of them. By the way, look at here, x is a factor, so x equals 0 makes this 0 and this 0, so we can find the value of b. This equation is true for all values of real x. So take x equals 0, that implies left hand side 0 minus 4 negative 4 equals a times 0, so this will be 0 minus 2 negative 2b, c times 0 square 0. So negative 2b equals negative 4. So b equals negative 4 divided by negative 2, just 2. And take x equals 2. That implies, because x equals 2 makes this 0 and 0. Okay, so 2 square 4 times 2 8. 8 minus 4 is 4, because this is 0, this is 0, plus c times 2 square 4c, or c equals 4 equals 4c divided by 4 1. So we now know b and c. Only unknown is a. Take any other x value. Let's 0 to, let's take x equals 1, then 1 is square 1, 2 times 1 is 2 minus 4 negative 2 equals a 1 times 1 minus 2 negative 1. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1a, and negative a is unknown, plus x equals 1. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 times b is 2. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2, plus c is 1. 1 is square, x is 1 square, so 1. Okay, that is negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. This is negative 1. Negative 2 equals negative a minus 1. Move negative a to the left, it becomes positive. Move this over, it becomes positive 2 plus 1 is positive 2 minus 1 is just 1. Okay, a equals 1. So a equals 1, b equals 2, c equals 1. Plug this into the equation, I mean into the answer we found earlier. So a is 1, so no effect. Natural log of 4/3 plus b is 2, so 2 over 12 1/6, plus c is 1 natural log of 2, so just natural log of 2. So you may leave here, but you can combine natural log 4/3 plus natural log of 2. Sum of two natural logs will be product, so natural log of 4/3 times 2, which is 8/3, plus 1/6. Okay, final answer here.